Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Zytee RB Gel. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Reptacos Brett & Co., Ltd. Zytee RB Gel. Zytee RB Gel is primarily used for the treatment of mouth ulcers. These are small, painful sores that could develop inside the lips, on the gums, tongue, roof of the mouth, or throat. Mouth ulcers can make it difficult to eat, drink, or even talk. Benefits. Zytee RB Gel works by blocking chemicals in the brain responsible for pain and inflammation. This provides relief from pain, discomfort, and symptoms like redness and swelling caused by mouth ulcers. By reducing irritation, it helps you carry on with your daily activities without discomfort. Side effects. While Zytee RB Gel is effective in treating mouth ulcers, it may cause some side effects. The most common side effects include a mild burning sensation and application site reactions like irritation, itching, or redness. If these symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor. How will you use? To use Zytee RB Gel, check the label for directions before applying. Gently apply the gel directly to the affected area inside your mouth. Avoid eating or drinking immediately after applying the gel to allow it to work effectively. How it works? Zytee RB Gel is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, that helps relieve mouth ulcers. It works by blocking the release of prostaglandins, which are chemical messengers that cause pain and inflammation. This action reduces swelling and discomfort in the affected area.